10 Viral Amazon Home Gadgets for 2025. Get ready to upgrade your home with the coolest, smartest, and most innovative gadgets that are taking over Amazon. From futuristic cleaning tech to space-saving solutions, these must-have gadgets will transform your living space. Don't miss out. Stay ahead of the trend. Let's dive in. The Highyes electric spin scrubber features a 1254-inch detachable handle, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach spots. Powered by a 2500 mAh battery, it delivers 90 minutes of runtime for uninterrupted cleaning. With two adjustable speeds, choose between low speed, 330 RPM for gentle scrubbing, and high speed, 420 RPM for tough stains. The replaceable brush heads adapt to various cleaning needs, from windows and kitchens to cars and sofas. Designed to scrub every corner effortlessly, this scrubber is both powerful and convenient. Plus, its Type-C charging port ensures quick and hassle-free recharging, keeping your cleaning routine efficient and smooth. The Tosima W2 window cleaner robot features a Japan brushless motor, making cleaning effortless while freeing your hands and time. Designed for safety, it includes climbing-level ropes to prevent falls, while the steady climbing system ensures slip-proof, wet cleaning, and a polished finish. Its powerful double wipe system delivers a deep clean with intelligent route planning and anti-drop edge detection for precision. The intelligent frequency conversion adjusts suction dynamically, reaching a maximum of 3,800 pHa for superior cleaning on windows, wooden doors, and glass surfaces. COSTWAY Compact Electric Dryer, your ultimate laundry companion. With a 5.5 pounds large capacity, it easily handles daily drying needs. The see-through window lets you monitor progress, while the curved handle ensures effortless opening and closing. Choose from high-low dry for bulk loads, delicate mode for silk and nylon, or air dry with cool air to freshen clothes. The warm mode leaves clothes wrinkle-free, and the hot mode dries large or bulky items efficiently. Featuring efficient heat dissipation and an installable exhaust pipe, it fully sterilizes clothes. The replaceable cotton filter element and stainless steel drum make laundry hassle-free, adding joy to daily life. The HiLIFE Portable Steamer, your ultimate wrinkle removal solution. Control with ease as it delivers fast-acting steam, ensuring quick wrinkle removal in seconds. Witness the before and after transformation as your clothes regain their crisp, polished look. Suitable for all fabrics, from delicate silk to heavy cotton, and even smooths curtains seamlessly. Designed for convenience, it's ready when you are, providing instant, hassle-free steaming. Say goodbye to wrinkles and instantly grow your garment's beauty with HiLIFE, the perfect blend of power and elegance. The electric jar opener for seniors with arthritis is your ultimate hands-free solution. With a one-button operation, it effortlessly opens lids from 1.2 to 3.5 inches, making it perfect for those with weak hands or arthritis. Built with stainless steel components for durability, it grips tightly while the soft silicone edge ensures safety. Just press the button, and in 3 seconds, your jar is open. No twisting, no effort. Keep in mind, it's not for plastic jars, but for everything else, it's a must-have kitchen gadget. Capsule Gravity, your pocket timer. Compact, lightweight, and designed for efficiency, just flip to focus with the Pomodoro timer to boost productivity. Whether you're studying, working, or relaxing, this 5,000 mAh power bank keeps your devices charged. The LED display provides clear visibility, while the stopwatch, countdown timer, and Pomodoro mode help manage your time effectively. Don't waste time. Focus on the task, take a break, and get things done. Need power? The 20-watt fast charge supports iPhone, MacBook, and iPad. Cooking gets easier with the countdown timer, and the stopwatch lets you compete, play, and win. Perfect for work, study, and fun, this all-in-one timer keeps you on track effortlessly. The Cheerble Fountain, where nature flows. This pumpless cat water fountain, powered by MagDrive technology, mimics the gentle flow of nature, ensuring fresh, clean water for your pet. Its cordless design means you can place it anywhere, making hydration effortless. But that's not all. This fountain is effortless in every aspect. With a built-in PIR sensor, it detects your pet's presence and dispenses water naturally, encouraging more drinking. Plus, with an impressive 30-day battery life, your cat enjoys uninterrupted hydration without constant recharging. Safe, silent, and smart, this is the ultimate stress-free pet water fountain. Get yours now and let nature flow. Dash Express Electric Griddle, the quick, simple, and versatile way to cook. This cute and compact 8-inch griddle heats up fast and cooks quickly and evenly, making it perfect for pancakes, eggs, burgers, and more. With a non-stick surface, cleanup is effortless, and the included recipe booklet lets you explore dishes from sweet to savory. Its space-saving design makes it the countertop champ, ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. Just plug it in, wait for the light, and enjoy hassle-free cooking. Whether breakfast, lunch, or snacks, Dash makes every meal effortless. The Valthie heated mattress pad wraps your bed in 360-degree warmth, fitting mattresses 8 to 21 inches deep with a secure elastic band for effortless fitting. Crafted from soft, skin-friendly material, it delivers even heat distribution for ultimate comfort. Equipped with a 6-foot power cord and a 12.8-foot controller cord, it offers 10 adjustable heating levels ranging from 36 degrees centigrade to 50 degrees centigrade, with a 1 to 12-hour auto shutoff for safety. Dual controllers allow personalized warmth for queen, king, and California king sizes. Plus, it's machine washable, making cleaning easy. Say goodbye to cold nights and sleep in cozy bliss. The Biodzzs Smart Toothbrush Holder and Cleaner keeps your toothbrush fresh and hygienic with smart sensor activation. Just wave your hand to open. Its automatic rotating cover shields your brush from dust, while light cleaning and fan drying technology ensure a bacteria-free experience. The intelligent purification cycle runs every 3 hours, providing 24/7 protection. With a USB-C charging port and 1800 mAh battery, enjoy up to 30 days of cordless use. Easy wall mount installation saves space, making it a perfect addition to any bathroom. Upgrade your routine with cleaner, safer brushing every day. That's a wrap on the 10 viral Amazon home gadgets for 2025. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech. More awesome gadgets coming soon. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.